Hello, we are from Duolingo for Schools team, and today we're going to present our document for information literacy and learning technology class. Um, First of all, I'm Azmi. Here we have also Emanuela and also Ainugraha. Today we're going to present our report about cloud-based learning apps and the use of collaboration tools to work on assignment. First of all, I would like to go into the in recent years, online learning tools have made education more accessible, flexible, and personalized. Especially cloud based platforms let students learn anytime, anywhere, without the limitation of time and place. This became especially important during the COVID-19 pandemic, where schools were forced to go into or use online models. A 2021 UNESCO report showed that over 1.5 billion students were affected by school closure, highlighting the need for reliable online tools. And one of these tools, a strong example, is Duolingo for Schools. It offers gamified, adaptive lessons and lets teacher assign work and track progress, and is both free and mobile friendly. And that's why for this report, we chose Duolingo for Schools as a model of how cloud-based tools can enhance education in this day and age.
Here we have chapter 2, which is software description. And some of the key features and functions in Duolingo Classroom are classroom management, feedback and communication, choosing a language of choice, and it's free and easy to use. Next, we have accessibility and compatibility, where Duolingo includes accessibility to feature supports diverse learners. It requires a stable internet connection, though limited offline access is available through pre-download lessons. The platform is compatible with iOS, Android, and desktop, offering a smooth experience on mobile. Users can disable audio features for accessibility, and while in-app visual customization is limited, external tools can access. Duolingo for Schools uses AI to personalize learning paths, track and progress, aiming to provide inclusive education regardless of users' economic background. Next, we have strengths and weaknesses, which Duolingo effectively supports reading, writing, listening, and speaking skills. Consistent use can lead to high accuracy in basic gamification and real-time progress. Tracking boosts engagement and help teachers adjust instruction. However, limited speaking practice, lack of supervision, and no face-to-face interaction can hinder deeper learning and conversational development.
All right. So next up we have simulation process. Here we see the student screen. We see over there we have navigation options on the left include learn, practice, leaderboards, quests, and more. On the right there's a promo for swim review and assignment section. If we see here, if we scroll down real quick to listening practice. Um, this is a type of practice where students hear audio and type or choose the correct response. If they can't listen, the can't listen now option skips this task for 15 minutes. We also have speaking practice where students speak responses using a mic. If speaking isn't possible, they can also select can't speak now to skip those sections temporarily. So Duolingo is a fun, beginner friendly, and motivating with tricks and rewards. However, it does lack depth for advanced learners and real life conversation practice. If we go and scroll down towards the teacher screen, the teacher dashboards allow monitoring of the student activity, including time spent, progress, and missed tasks. Options like new class and teacher trainings also help teachers to manage their classes. We scroll down to the reports tab. We see that the report tab gives a detailed and easy to read summary of each student's work, completion percentages, skills practice, and time spent. It's great for both teacher and parent to track progress of their children and students. If we scroll down, we also see the task result and feedback of us using it. So this section, so the session Duolingo makes it easy for teachers to check how students did on their test. It also shows the scores and how much did they did of the task and how late they are into the task. It's pretty simple to understand and very useful for keeping track and of how everyone's doing and what to focus on next.
Now we are going to talk about the collaboration tools that we use to work on this assignment. And we chose tools that were familiar, accessible, and supportive, both real-time and flexible teamwork. First of all, we have Google Docs. It was our main platform for writing together. It allowed us to edit live, leave comments, and avoid control issues. Second of all, we use Notion as well. It serves as our central workspace. We use it to organize tasks, track deadlines, store research, and monitor progress through its Kanban board and database features. And then afterwards, for quick coordination and communication, we relied on WhatsApp. It's helpful for scheduling, reminders, and quick file sharing. And then to meet and discuss in real time, we also utilize Google Meet for face to face check ins, screen sharing, and clarifying complex tasks if needed. And also, to go into task assignment and tracking more, we use again Notion Kanban board with clear assignments, deadlines, and progress updates. Combined with WhatsApp check ins and communication line, this keep everyone aligned and accountable. Overall, these tools help us stay organized and collaborate efficiently from start to finish.
Next, we have Chapter 5, which is Challenges and Solutions. Working as a trio on the Duolingo report presented challenges in workload division, time management, and communication. We used tools like mentioned, WhatsApp, Google Meet, Google Docs, and Notion to coordinate and stay organized. Despite struggles with consistency and scheduling, the experience strengthened our teamwork, adaptability, and use of digital tools.
Unless we have chapter 6, which is conclusion and recommendations. Overall, the software provided an excellent user experience via its straightforward design and simple features. It really helped our project objectives and facilitated the input processing and output of data. Even though there were some occasional drawbacks like minimal lag or lack of advanced personalization, this didn't have any significant impact on our operations. The fact that the software facilitated process and made data easily readable was one of its main strengths. Um, so, to maximize the benefits of Duolingo Classroom, teachers need to engage with the platform on a regular basis, and students use the platform consistently. The teachers has to keep up with their students and use the platform on a regular basis. Again, um, means that the teachers are able to involve parents to help make it easier for them to stay informed and engage in their children's learning journey.
And that concludes the contents of our documents. We also included references and appendix for all of our resources, as well as documentation of our research, as well as overall assignment process. And that's the end of our presentation. Thank you very much.